Hey everyone, it's Hannah here at ColDesi, and I'm here today to talk to you guys about our DigitalHeat FX 9541 system. Now I have here in front of me just a couple of the things that this white toner printer is capable of creating, but I want to talk to you first about the technology behind this printer. Now, the DigitalHeat FX 9541 is the first transfer printer to offer a 5-channel system. So this means it has CMYK plus W toners already inside of it. This machine also comes to your door with a ton of toner already in it. And what that means is that you really could make your full return on investment with what comes in the box. Now, this printer also has the industry's largest print area. It prints a transfer of 13 by 19. So this means you can offer your customers large, high quality images for jackets or banners, but it also means that you can fit a bunch of designs on one sheet of transfer paper, like our left chest logo here, or little designs for coasters, mugs, glass, or even our t-shirt here. You can get about 2 of these graphics on, or 3 on one sheet of the 13 by 19 transfer. The DigitalHeat FX 9541 also gives you the opportunity to outsell your competition. What I mean by that is it gives you the ability to do things that they simply cannot. This is because it prints full color in just one single pass. Now, those in the heat transfer vinyl business or the screen printing business are going to discourage multiple colors because they're going to have to do each one of these colors individually. But the best part about the DigitalHeat FX 9541 is the versatility of this system. Now, what we did to show this to you guys is we went ahead and created a variety of products for a local barbershop called Tim's Custom Cuts. Now, because this is a white toner printer, like we said earlier, we have the ability to decorate both light and dark items. These transfers can also be applied to cotton and polyester, as well as nylon, leather, neoprene, and a lot of other fabrics. So what we were able to do was not only make t-shirts for Tim's Barbershop, we were also able to make custom barber capes, custom aprons, and custom totes. Now, in addition to that, with our Easy Peel hard surface paper, you're able to decorate promo goods like mugs, glasses, coasters, wood, metal, and a lot more. So let's talk about how this system works. So to make this custom t-shirt, we used our Easy Peel 2-step transfer paper. Now, this is a special white toner transfer paper that's created for this system. This paper comes with what we call an A sheet and a B sheet. The A sheet is going to have your printed graphic, and the B sheet is going to have polymer. So we're going to heat apply those together. Then when we peel them apart, the polymer from that B sheet is only going to adhere to the toner that's printed on the A sheet. This makes it a self-weeding system. Then you have a transfer that can be sold as is, or it can be applied onto t-shirts. Now, the way we make our mug, glass, and coasters and other promo goods is by using our Easy Peel hard surface paper. Now, this process is super simple. All you do is print your graphic onto the paper, then you heat apply it to your hard surface good, wait for it to cool completely, and peel it off. Another white toner transfer paper that we like to use when we're making white or light colored garments is our Easy Peel 1-step paper. Now, like its name implies, it's simply just one step. So you print out your graphic and heat apply the transfer onto your shirt and peel it off. My favorite part is that there's virtually no maintenance to this system. Like we said earlier, it's a toner-based printer, so there's no liquid inks and there's no mess. So if you want to learn more about the DigitalHeat FX 9541, go ahead and visit digitalheatfx.com and live chat with one of our pros. Thanks for watching.